in tayammum, is wiping over the hand okay, or does one include the wrist, or is the back of the hand sufficient? Well, let us get the picture back again. Tayammum is as follows. You hit the ground once. There are two ways. Either to wipe your face and then do your hands, or to do your hands, then wipe your face. And both are accepted, insha'Allah Azza wa Jal. This question came to us through the live feed from YouTube on Zad channel on YouTube. So this is sufficient, but he's asking, is the wrist included or not? We don't have a specific hadith that says it's included. It says he wiped his hands. So the hands ends at the wrist. So do I have to do this area as well? No. The wrist itself, you just do it like this. It's wiping, it's not washing. So many people ask the same question. Do I have to cover every single inch of it? No, you don't have to do that. All you have to do is just hit it once, wipe your face and your hands, and this does the job, insha'Allah.